If you are a longtime subscriber, you know that much of the content on this channel over the last 2 years was focused on my 2018 YT Jeffsy AL Comp 29er. I learned new skills, we upgraded it, and traveled with it. We took it to the rainforests of the Pacific Northwest. And the roto tunnels of the Southeast. It's seen downhill bike parks, and cross-country single track. So we say goodbye to an old friend and welcome a new bike into the garage. That bike is the 2021 Rocky Mountain Altitude 27.5. Yeah, that's right, we're going full enduro. You may have already noticed this bike in my recent videos. I've had it for about 6 months, so let's do a bike check. This is the Rocky Mountain Altitude Carbon 50. It's the cheapest spec carbon altitude that they offer. I originally wanted to get the frame set and do a custom build, but the frame set was almost as much as the full build. With parts hard to come by because of COVID, I opted to get a full bike and upgrade as needed. Now this is a lightweight enduro bike at 31.8 pounds with pedals. What I like about this bike is Rocky Mountain's Ride 9 system. Ride 9 gives you 9 different geometry settings. Not only does this change the head angle and the bottom bracket height, but it also changes the progressivity of the rear suspension. Another feature I like is the adjustable chainstay. I have it set in the short position, which gives the bike a more playful feel. The bike is equipped with Fox suspension, a DPX2 in the back with 160 millimeters of travel, and a Fox 36 performance fork in the front. Settings for both these components are simple, which gives me less to think about so I can focus on my skills. As I start to push my limits, I'll consider upgrading. But for now, this will do. The wheels are WTB ST Light with 30mm internal width. They're laced to a Rocky Mountain branded front hub and a DT Swiss 370 rear hub. As far as tires go, it's equipped with an Assegai in the front and a DHR2 in the rear. Overall, I find this to be a great combo. It provides a solid combination of grip and reduced rolling resistance. I'm not currently running tire inserts, but I will be shortly. The Altitude came with Shimano XT 4-piston brakes that I just didn't get along with, so I swapped them out for a set of Magura MT7s. The Shimanos are powerful, but have the typical on-off feel that Shimano is known for. I much prefer the feel and smoother modulation of the Maguras.
Oh yeah.
For the contact points, the bike came with Ergon grips that I immediately swapped out for a pair of Renthal medium compound grips. I love these grips. This goes back to my jet ski days where grip in wet conditions was super important. They've been my go-to for over 20 years. At the cranks, I'm using Spank Uzi pedals, which have a good platform size and offer plenty of grip. One cool feature I added to this bike is the wolf tooth and case multi-tool system. This setup installs in your handlebars for easy access. I preferred this over the 1UP EDC tools for the simplicity of not having to mess with the steerer tooth. The tool has most everything you need, including a chain breaker and tire plug kit. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want to know more. Well, that's the bike in a nutshell. I've been finding myself traveling to bike parks and big mountain destinations with steep, gnarly terrain, and I wanted a purpose-built bike that excels on the descents. There were a couple issues with my Jeffsy that really pushed me to switch. One was the seat tube height, which was too tall and didn't really get the seat fully out of the way. Coupled with the 29-inch wheels, it made it hard to get the bike properly fit to my body. I'm 100% in a 27.5-inch wheel camp. I just like them better. The altitude feels much more playful than my old Jeffsy, despite having more travel. The bike begs to be ridden fast, and really wakes up at high speeds. It's allowed me to ride trails I would never have dreamed of a year ago. And I've progressed a lot since I've had the bike. But with a bike this capable, it can also get you into trouble. Oh well, no pain, no gain. I hope you enjoyed this leg of my journey. Thanks for watching.
What's that? Oh, shit! Oh, are you sure that was a roll? I sure didn't feel like a roll.